Hi, today I will show how to crochet coaster. And I will use this yarn and I use this side hook. So let's begin. First we crochet 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we crochet together. 1, 2, 3 chains. And we crochet double crochet. One, we keep that we crochet together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And then we crochet together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we crochet in this stick. 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and next 1 double crochet, 2 chain, and next 1 double crochet, and we work beginning. After we work beginning, we have total 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. 2 chain, and 1, 2, 3, and then we crochet together. 1, 2, 3, and this we crochet 1 double crochet, and 1, 2, 3, and same we crochet 1 double crochet, same 2 double crochet, and 1 chain, and we keep this we crochet next. 1, 2, 3 chains, and same 1, 2, 1 chain, and keep this crochet next. 1, 2, 3 chains, 1, 2, and then we repeat again beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and one chain, and when we crochet together, and then this part we crochet a little different like that, and go between 1, 2, 3, and then we crochet this for 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this we crochet 1 single crochet, and next we crochet 9 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this we crochet 1 single crochet, and next we crochet 9 double crochet, same, and then we repeat. After we repeat beginning, and now before we crochet here only 4, and now we crochet in this 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we crochet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we crochet 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, and then we work beginning, and then we crochet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we keep this, we crochet next 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and keep this crochet next 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and keep this crochet next 1 double crochet, 2 chain, keep this crochet next 1 double crochet, and we work beginning. After we work beginning, and now 1, 2, and we count 1, 2, 3, and we crochet together. But we always remember this part we have 1 double crochet, same, this part we have 1 double crochet, like that. Now we crochet 1, 2, 3, and same, we crochet 1 double crochet, and 1, 2, 3, and same, we crochet 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1 chain, and keep this crochet next, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 1 2 3 and 2 double crochet, and then we repeat beginning. After we work beginning and now we crochet together. After we crochet together and now we crochet 11 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and this we crochet 1 single crochet. Next we crochet 11 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then we repeat beginning. After we work beginning and now we finish. We will hide this yarn around under like that. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Thank you so much.